Hey everyone, welcome back. This is a project we just completed for a very happy customer. This is our before. You can see here these very old style wooden spindles that we've got going on. And then the carpet on the stairs. So they've put vinyl plank flooring at the bottom of the stairs and they've installed vinyl plank flooring at the top of the stairs, but they were trying to find a solution for their stairs, and that's where we came in. At Step Up, we take flat vinyl plank flooring and we modify it so that you can put it on your stairs. And here is the finished products. We've gone ahead and replaced the spindles here with this beautiful black metal, and we've put this vinyl plank flooring on these open stairs to give it such a sleek, beautiful, modern finish here. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have the full installation as well as lots of tips and tricks on how to do it if you are looking to do it yourself. And you can check us out at our website at stepupvinyl.ca if you'd like us to come out and make your house our next project. So you can see here this beautiful finish. We'll see you in the next video.